Hi everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I will be teaching you how to speed up pictures on TikTok. So let's begin right away. So there are actually two ways in speeding up pictures on TikTok. So the first one that I will be teaching you is the use of the app called CapCut. So you should download this app using your App Store or your Google Play Store, and then simply open it. Click on New Project, choose the photo that you want, click on Add, and then wait for it to load. So once it is done loading, you may crop the time or trim the time to whichever you want to. So as you can see, there is a tiny time right here. So you may be able to see the length of that picture. Then if you want to set it to 1 second, you may do so. And once you have achieved the time that you want, you just simply click on the button right here found on the upper right corner, which is the export button, and then you may upload it on TikTok afterwards. And then for the second option is to use the TikTok app itself. So click on TikTok and then press on the plus icon right here, and then go to effects and search for green screen. So search for green screen, and then you should be able to see this very first option, and then choose the picture that you want. So choose the picture whichever you want to, and then just simply record until you can reach the time that you want as well. So you just simply hit record, and then let's say for example you want it for 1 second, then you just released the button, and then um, go back to effects if you want to change the picture, and then choose another picture right here, and then that's it. That's how you can speed up pictures on TikTok. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.